Hi everyone, it's my turn. Today we're gonna do the Playdough unicorn. I like this project, so let's open it. Me and my brother already opened it. So this is how you make it, but pink and yellow, white only, and blue, red. And this is all the things that you have. That's the one. And this is the color. So there's no opening, but I'm gonna get the scissors right up on my keyboard. So always be careful of scissors. Always ask the adult to help you. But I know how to do it. But don't ask the children to do it. This is what there. So this is all the tiles of it. That's the unicorn mode. And look at what it looks like. There. You can use like this. Once there's a blue stuff, you can close it, open, close it, open. Also, you can use it, and you can put your favorite things. Like there's a pink one. You can snap it like this, like that. And there's another one. This now you just make the style of it. And use that to make a unicorn thing. And you can use this to create a unicorn. So let's make it. Smells so good. I know it smells good, but Playdough don't smell good. Looks like Playdough is actually these unicorn Playdough. I always use this one because I always use it for doing it. So I cut it with this one, and then I have to do like that. So good. And I tried that.
Can I help you? Can I use the pink one too?
Yes.
This is the other Play-Doh. It's a combination of pink and yellow. It looks so nice. So Cassie's doing the purple one, the purple mold. I'm gonna be using the pink mold. Can I use it? Okay, cool.
Because I like to share. We share onion rings.
Huh? Onion rings? only the onion rings?
Yeah.
Aww. Of course, Kuya shares stuff with you, but sometimes you just, when you guys are playing, you guys are so into the game that you don't want to focus on what, you know, you don't want to focus on sharing, which is not good. Sharing is?
Caring.
Yep, absolutely.
Sharing is caring. Yes.
Oh, I think I have to put some more. We'll find out if we can really form a unicorn with this one. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I think you have to put both sides on this one, okay?
Yeah, me.
Not maybe, you have to. Okay. Okay, here.
I got a lot.
So I'm pressing this one. Hopefully, I'm not good at doing. I'm not really a big fan of Play-Doh. Oh wow! I got it! I did it! Cool. Look at this one. Let me know if you need help, okay?
Yeah, I need help.
This looks good. And this one really smells so good.
Yeah, I know.
Right? Compared to the other, to just a regular Play-Doh. Oh yeah, thank you.
Now it's normal.
Yeah. Now, I made it. Okay, here you go. Wow.
You can do.
Yeah. And I think we're gonna try to make something like this. We need to have the horn and also this.
No, we already
I don't
have
know the
a
name of
horn.
Does it have?
Mine has horn.
Oh yeah. So we're going to use this thing. And stick it. There you go. Here, baby.
Looks like an ice cream cone.
Yeah, it does look like I don't know how to put this thing.
Squish! Squish! Squish!
Oh. But I think we can do better than that one. We'll find out. Oh, it's all gone. Okay. You have to show it here.
We stuck.
Huh?
It's stuck. I can't close it.
You have to press it really good.
I'm pressing it, but it's not. Like, coming. It's nice.
Oh. Here you go. I'm gonna add this one in
Oh, my unicorn looks so pretty. Like a statue.
here. What do you think about this? Does it look pretty? Ooh. I love the smell. It smells so good. It smells like pancake with cinnamon. I love it. Okay. Do you want to add some more of this one? Some more Play-Doh? Oh, so a white unicorn. Okay. You want to try this? Oh, you want white? Okay. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, look at what Cassey did. Oh, so nice. I love it. I think yours is much better than mine, which is kind of funny. Right? My baby Wow, look how nice look at the legs. It looks so good. And the horn, it's so clear. Mine is not even that clear. Or maybe, wait, I don't know. For some reason, oh, because I think I didn't press it really good. Okay, I will try again.
Mama, look!
Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's supposed to be in here. It's supposed to be in
No,
here.
I like that.
Oh, you wanna, okay, hold on. Can I try yours? I'll try to make a nicer one. Yours is really, really good. And I like the color.
I like yours.
Thank you. But I think yours is so much better. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's the thing like, I put right here.
Yeah, you can do that one too. I love it.
Add some.
We need to make our own Play-Doh. Like a homemade Play-Doh, because we can save rather than buying it all the time. Oh my goodness, look at what I made. But I think it's flat. Huh? Look what I did. Ooh. Ding ding. But this part here is flat.
I think that's you didn't put another one.
Yeah, I think so. I think I didn't put enough. Okay, do you want to use the other one?
Do you want to use mine?
Yes, sure. Here. You want to switch? What is this one for?
Oh, for decorating.
Oh, yeah. You can use that one for decorating. There's a star. There's different kinds of stuff in there. Ooh, these are really nice. I love it. I think I'm gonna make. So we already made three unicorn. What is wrong? Okay, so wow, these are really cool. I love it, babes. Uh-oh. Okay.
Mine's is not standing.
It's not standing. And this is the last Play-Doh that's included in the kit. It's blue and red. Okay, we'll try to make a blue and red unicorn.
Mama, but can I have the little blue?
Okay.
There.
You sure can. You can put this.
I'm trying to mix it all together.
Okay.
I'm mixing them. I'm mixing our. I do want to see, but I don't.
I like this Play-Doh, babes. I wonder what kind of material they,
What
you know,
is going
material
on?
they use to
I
make this
didn't
one.
use pink.
You didn't use pink?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a blue and
Why?
oh wow, look at this one, babes.
I'm looking.
So this is the blue unicorn, and the other side is a combination of blue and red. But I think yours is still the best, babes.
Thank you for watching my channel. Oh, and I hope you like my channel.